Blackmon Power is a third-party testing company. We've been in business for 6 years and under the Blackmon Power name going on 4 years. We do any and all electrical maintenance from IR to breaker testing to battery testing, transformer testing, any and everything as far as electrical maintenance goes. Using the FLIR and Condoit camera and app together, I've been doing this for 10-15 years, and that was the easiest process by far. It takes the reporting out of the office's hands, puts it in the field. Once the data is gathered in the field and pictures are gathered, the report can be spun up within 5 minutes. My role as a thermographer using the i65 and the Condoit-App combined, the on-site hasn't changed that much. What has changed is if the problem is found, I'm taking that info and putting that data in as I take the photo. I'm not jotting a couple notes down and coming back in the service vehicle a few hours later. As I find that problem, I'm updating everything then, capturing it, and moving on to the next component, which is a game changer in the field as far as time goes. Using the Condoit-App gives us an online customer portal, so we're not just sending a PDF report to that customer. The customer has an online portal where annually they can track all their hour reports in one place on an online portal that they're not managing, but we can manage for our customers. When the technician is done, the project is done. So there's no extra cost to that project. There's no back-end work on office staff. Invoicing can happen the same day. Whereas if we do it in the office, we could hold up invoicing for 2 to 3 weeks, getting that to the customer.